In this video, you'll learn how to change your profile picture on Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to personalize your Notion experience with a custom image that represents you. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and enter Notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your workspace. Next, locate the gear icon on the sidebar, typically found at the bottom of the navigation menu. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Here you will find various options to customize your Notion experience. After accessing the settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Click on this option to view your current profile settings. This is where you can manage your profile picture and other personal details. Now, proceed to click on the Add Photo button. This action will prompt a file selection dialog to appear. You can choose to upload a new image or select an existing one from your device. Ensure the image file meets Notion's size requirements for optimal loading. Once you have selected your preferred image, click on Create Your Portrait. This option will redirect you to a page where you can customize your avatar further. You may be prompted to select your skin tone, eyes, and other facial features. As you customize your avatar, you will see various options for skin tones, eyes, eyewear, brows, noses, mouths, hair, and accessories. Click on each category to explore the available styles and select the ones that best represent you. Each selection will update the preview in real time. After finalizing your avatar design, click on the Create button to save your customized portrait. You will be directed to a confirmation screen. From here, click on Download to save the image to your device. This step ensures you have a copy of your new profile picture. Finally, return to the profile settings in Notion and click on Add Photo again. This time, select the newly downloaded image from your device. Once you confirm your selection, your profile picture will be updated. Ensure that the image displays correctly before closing the settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.